Hey guys, it's Sasha.
And Face.
And today we're going to...
What
was that? Let's go check it out.
Yeah, let's go check it out. Go.
Oh my god, what's that?
It's a helicopter.
That's really cool. It's talking!
No. I'm not gonna hurt you.
Are you sure?
Are you a helicopter? Yes, I'm a helicopter.
Whoa. You're really cool.
Yeah, I know. I can really fly.
Awesome. Can you show us?
Yeah, watch this. Are you ready?
Yep.
See?
Well, that's really cool. I wish I could do that.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
You want to do it, Face? Yeah, I'll do that.
Wait, we don't have parachutes though.
I'll go get you a parachute.
Okay, let's go.
Here's your Face. You're gonna be this parachute.
Whose is this?
That's yours parachute.
Oh, okay.
Put this on.
Okay.
Okay, your parachutes are on.
Yep.
Well, I say count to 3, you're gonna jump, okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3! Ah!
Ah!
Are you guys having fun? Yeah, we're having fun.
Yeah.
Let's do that again.
My parachute came off.
Oh, it's okay. We'll put it back on.
Okay.
Let's put it back on. Come on, Face. Let's get back on me. Okay. Alright, Face and Salsa, are you ready to try again?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm gonna count to 5 this time.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5! Ah!
Hi guys, thank you guys so much for watching.
For me, the helicopter. Look. Hey guys.
So, if you want more of the helicopter, just say so, and we'll do that.
Okay, so.
Let's go, Face. Let's jump one more time.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.